I'm going to show you right now how to make $98 payments multiple times a day. And the great thing is these payments are residual and will pay you month after month. And of course, it pays direct to your PayPal account and it's available worldwide. Imagine what you can do with these $98 payments paid directly to your PayPal account month after month after month. No experience is needed and hardly any work is required. Hey guys, my name is Dan Froelke, and on this channel I create videos on how to make money online using instant pay member-to-member programs from the comfort of your own home. So if that's what you're looking for, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, and I will notify you anytime I upload a new video. So let's get this video started right now. I want to share with you a new residual income system that allows you to get paid $98 over and over again, multiple times a day. Now, I've been online for 12 years. I have a high ticket program, I have a low ticket program, but really I was searching high and low for a long time for a residual income system. And I finally found one right here. It's called 98 Unlimited, and I'm going to review that for you right here. So this is my 98 Unlimited review for 2021, and in this video you're going to learn what is 98 Unlimited. Is 98 Unlimited a scam? What are the products? Okay, what are we selling? How do you get paid? How do you successfully market 98 Unlimited? And of course, make sure you stay with me till the end of the video because I've got some team bonuses that I want to share with you, and I think you're going to like those. All right, so let's get started with my 98 Unlimited review. What is 98 Unlimited? Well, as I mentioned before, it's a member-to-member residual income system that allows you to get paid $98 over and over again, unlimited times per day. This system was created in July of 2020 by Frank and Laura Vingiano. Now, Frank and Laura spent 20 years in the network marketing industry creating successful teams in various MLM businesses. And all that changed when the company that we're promoting suddenly closed its doors and they lost thousands of dollars in monthly reoccurring revenue. They were also troubled by the attrition rate that goes along with network marketing. So what that means is, a person joins and then 30, 60, 90 days later, they drop off. All right, they quit. And what happens to your residual income? Well, it shrinks, okay? So they wanted to create their own program, a program that was not MLM and allowed everyone to be on the same level playing field regardless of previous marketing experience. So 98 Unlimited was born, a one-tier system where you could get paid residually. It's not MLM, and anyone can start today and make more money than the person before them, right? You can make more money than your sponsor. It puts you in control of your own income. It's an excellent way to create reoccurring, reliable, residual income. What are the products inside 98 Unlimited? The products inside 98 Unlimited are exclusive digital marketing educational products that you can't find anywhere else because they are exclusive to 98 Unlimited. For example, product number 1, it's called the Digital Marketing Tool, and it's a 21-page A to Z guide that walks you through step by step on how to start earning this reoccurring income. It has all the tips and tricks you need to have success with 98 Unlimited. You will also receive hot new products every single month, yours to keep. How do you get paid with 98 Unlimited? Well, it's a very simple program. Anyone can have success regardless of their previous marketing experience. You're going to promote the system with your capture page using a variety of proven marketing methods, such as postcards and solo ads. We have some free marketing methods as well. A complete blueprint is included with step-by-step instructions. You will get paid $98 per sign-up plus $98 per month, provided that member stays on, right? And on average, a team member enrolls 5 team members per week. And 94 out of 100 stay at the end of that 30 days. So this is truly reliable residual income. There's a one-time website setup fee of $37, but you get paid first. There's no admin fee standing between you and your cash. And I want to kind of expand on this a little bit. Okay, so usually when you join a system, you first pay the admin fee, right? And then you're redirected to pay your sponsor. In this system, you get paid first, all right? So a person creates an account, they pay you first, and then they get inside, and then they're going to pay their one-time website setup fee to have access to their pages, the capture page and the sales page. So there really isn't an admin fee per se, all right? So you're going to get paid first. When the person gets inside, then they can pay their one-time website setup fee of $37. That's it. Now, besides getting the system that allows you to make $98 over and over again, what exactly did you get for your $98? Well, you're going to get a 2-page website ready to accept $98 residual payments. You're going to get a capture page and a sales page, or a reveal page, as Frank likes to call it. And I'm going to show you that in a little bit. You're going to get everything you need to track all your members and view your contacts. You'll get a built-in autoresponder with a pre-written follow-up email series. You'll have access to proven mailing lists with hot buyers and special pricing on 98 Unlimited postcards if you choose to market with postcards. You're also going to get a done-for-you solo ad vendor with Tier 1 traffic. All you have to do is select how many clicks you want, pay for the service, and provide them with your capture page link. That's it. Hands-free, done-for-you traffic. Now I want to log in to my 98 Unlimited back office and show you around a little bit. All right, let's log into my 98 Unlimited back office here. And as you're going to see, it's a very easy to navigate back office. And right off the bat, we have a nice little welcome email from Frank right here. You can check that out. You can edit your profile right here, and you can set up your payment options. Now, right now, we have Stripe, PayPal, Authorize.net. That's what I have. I have my own merchant account. I've had it for years. Here you can offer manual payments like Zelle, Venmo, and Cash App. But these three here are our internal payment processors. All right, so then what you're going to do, you're going to activate your site here. And again, there's just a one-time $37 activation fee on there. And that's all you have to pay for that. You can view your contacts, of course. We've got resources, but first, these are the action steps right here. Get set up, and he has a little video right there, and you get paid, you get traffic. This is your blueprint right here, and he has a great video explaining how to market this system. You can market the system using postcards. You can order your postcards here. You can order the leads, but you'll have to mail them out. We have our autoresponder. We've got CPC ads, which means solo ads. And you can order a solo ad through the back office here, hands-free, from a top Tier 1 solo ad provider. We've got the products right here, and they're easy to download. Okay? All these products right there. And if you are doing your own postcard marketing, you can order lists through these people. And we have an SMS program on the way coming soon. You can order labels for your postcards right here. And if you want to, it shows you how to set up a team rotator. All right, really quickly, I want to show you the capture page. All right, so he's got a great capture page here. Frank is on here. And, you can tell Frank has been in the network marketing business for a long time. He's very good at copywriting and explainer videos. And he really does a good job. So this is the capture page that you're going to see when you opt into mine. All right. I'm using everything in the back office. I'm not going to create my own capture pages or anything like that. This is a $100 residual program. And again, the thing that I like about it, it isn't going to interfere with anything else that I'm doing. I've got my other online businesses, but this is just going to run in the background. And of course, I'm going to help people out who join me, but it truly is hands off. Okay. So this is the capture page right here, and they're going to be redirected to your reveal page or sales page right here. And again, Frank did a great job at copywriting and the explainer videos here. He's got one here that you'll see when you opt in.
Hello, it's Frank and Laura, and we want to welcome you to...
So yeah, it's a very nice little website. And it's got some income proof there, what exactly you get for your $98. And he does a very good job with this. He's got a big red join button right there. And there you have it. I just wanted to show you around really quickly. Now, I'm sure I'm going to have some results, and I will be doing another video with results. And now I want to go right to my bonuses. I've got some great team bonuses for you when you decide to partner up with me in 98 Unlimited. So let's get to those bonuses right now. All right, last but not least is my 98 Unlimited team bonuses, and I'm really excited to share with you these two bonuses that you're going to receive when you join me in 98 Unlimited. I put together a team traffic co-op. It's completely hands-free. No marketing is required with this hands-free done-for-you option. My team traffic co-op allows you to leverage our buying power so you can get top tier 1 traffic from a world-class solo ad provider at a discounted price. So I'll be using Jazz Solo Ads for our weekly team traffic co-op, and this is top tier 1 traffic sent directly to your 98 Unlimited capture page. Now he provides this traffic to us at a discounted price. It's $75 per 100 clicks. He usually charges $100 per 100 clicks. He only provides top tier 1 traffic, so that's why I wanted to get him into our team traffic co-op so everyone on the team has a chance to purchase this fantastic quality traffic. I've been using Jazz Deep's traffic for over 3 years now with great success. As a matter of fact, in one of my businesses, I've earned over $330,000 using his traffic exclusively. So he's agreed to give me and my team a really good deal on his solo ad traffic. So when you join me, you're going to get access to this team traffic co-op with Jazz Deep solo ad traffic exclusively. And it is hands-free. All you have to do is pay for the traffic and send them your 98 Unlimited capture page. And after that, the autoresponders will start to work, and hopefully you'll receive some sales. But I know one thing, it's great quality, top tier 1 traffic. And that's not all. Bonus number 2, for a limited time only, join me in 98 Unlimited and you'll be added to our existing team traffic co-op for free for 2 weeks. That's uninterrupted traffic for 2 weeks on me using Jazz Deep solo ads. That's an awesome deal right there. So those are the 2 bonuses I have when you join me in 98 Unlimited. Again, that expense is on me, all right? That's 2 weeks of uninterrupted top tier 1 traffic sent to your 98 Unlimited capture page. Now, how's that for a jump start? Do you think it's going to get your business off to a good start? Absolutely. And please don't confuse this with a traffic rotator hooked up to some free traffic source, any of that nonsense. This solo ad traffic is from the top solo ad provider in our industry. All right, there you have it, my 98 Unlimited review for 2021. I just want to leave you with this thought right here. You just don't want to join a business just to join a business, but rather you want to align yourself with a proven leader, a proven sponsor who actually walks the walk. And I've been doing that for a long time now. So if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. I've got my contact information right below there, and I really look forward to showing you how this is done. This is Dan Froelke. I appreciate you watching this. If you got some value out of this, I'd really appreciate you giving me a thumbs up. I will see you on the next video.